Before Wuhan became known as ground zero for the coronavirus outbreak, it was famous for its breakfast.
这个对于武汉人来说，热干面就是每天必须吃的。
A mix of spicy, salty, nutty, and sour. It's a simple noodle dish.
我是大雄，从小在武汉长大，然后现在在纽约卖热干面。首先是把面在水里面烫一下，把它烫热了，然后大概7、8秒钟就捞起来，然后把它里面再加上酱油、卤水，然后芝麻酱，然后上面再撒上酸豆角、辣萝卜，还有葱花就好了。
The piping hot noodles served without broth offers a hearty street-side snack. We spoke to Tiffany Ran about the dish, an American chef whose father is from Wuhan, and this motivated her to find out more about the region's food.
It's something that if you ask anybody, it's just a simple dish. It's not pretty, it's not cute, it's not anything fancy, but we love it.
Located on the confluence of two rivers, Wuhan has long been a major port city, and dock workers who had to start work at the break of dawn would look for a hearty breakfast. Over the years, a vibrant breakfast culture was born. Locals call it guozao, meaning to pass the morning.
In Wuhan, breakfast, it's kind of so sacred to them that they have their own terminology for it. I just haven't seen a region give that level of reverence where it has its own name. And in the morning, it's like a ritual where everybody goes to their preferred stall or their preferred spot.
Popular Wuhan breakfast items include fried dough sticks, rice donuts, steamed dumplings, and bean pies, all found on the street. But the most famous Wuhan dish remains hot dry noodles. It's so associated with Wuhan that many locals who emigrate open up hot dry noodle stalls.
这个基本上就跟家里吃的一样，然后也有人因为很长时间没回去了，就是可能在这边有10几20年或者更久的，就有人就吃的都哭出来了。
It very much is a street food. It's that idea of pulling people out of the house to live among the community, to be around their neighbors. The fact that that is part of this ingrained value that is worked into breakfast is something that's really touching for me. So when I was looking at a lot of videos around the time that the coronavirus broke out, it hit me really hard to see the streets being empty in that way, to know how important it is for these people to have their morning rituals. You really see how something like this deeply impacts that community.
As fear of the virus spreads, even businesses in Chinatowns around the world have noticed less foot traffic.
头2个星期的时候，街上基本上每个人都戴着口罩，很多人不愿意去人多的地方，不愿意上街，在法拉盛各行各业那个生意都会变差，大家也没什么好继续紧张的。